Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at the Super MoonPod. This is designed to accommodate couples, so up to 2 people, which is basically twice the size of the original MoonPod. So let's take a look. You can order the Super MoonPod directly from the MoonPod website. It will arrive in about a week in 2 boxes. And like I said, these boxes are pretty light, about 15 pounds each. And there's really no setup required. All you need to do is put on the cover. So you basically just stuff the insert over the cover and zip it up and you're ready to go. It took me literally about 3-4 minutes to do. If you want to wash it, the cover's washable. It's machine washable. I just wash it on a normal cycle. I also just use a normal drying cycle. There was no shrinkage, no bleeding whatsoever. So it was just reassuring to know that there wasn't any special washing requirements for this. Otherwise, it would just be more of a hassle. And it is, because we use it in so many rooms and it gets so much use, we do tend to wash it frequently, and washing really is a breeze with this thing. The Super MoonPod is designed for maximum comfort. In fact, the whole family fights over this thing. Our daughter drug it into her room, and it's been there for quite a while. She reads on it, she does her homework. Our dog jumps on it at night, makes it her dog bed. And then some nights we just drag it down for family movie night. It's great because my wife and I can watch movies on it together, or the kids can use it. So you just get instant upgraded seating. In addition to that, you can also add the crescent. That's this kind of U-shaped pillow behind me. And then you get a shoulder rest and headrest. And you could actually put these side by side. So you can really just turn it into the ultimate lounger. Now, in terms of feel, the nice thing is it does give you sort of that weightless feeling. Yes, it's sort of constructed like a beanbag, but it's better than that because the fabric is so stretchy that it allows you to really sink in instantly and conform. And then those little styrofoam beads, they actually are very breathable. Air passes right through that, so you don't feel overheated. And it's a very breathable fabric as well. Now the fabric is machine washable, which is extremely important, especially if you have kids. You know, our dog sheds a lot, so we got some dog hair on it. I've washed this a few times. There's no shrinkage. None of the colors bled out. So it's a very high quality fabric. All in all, we've just really enjoyed having the Super MoonPod around. So here I'm sitting in the Super MoonPod, and next to me is the original MoonPod, and it's literally twice the size. So basically, it's 2 of these inside one big cover. I really do like the original still because it's a little bit more portable, and I can sit more vertically in it. With this one, it's a bit harder to do. But if you do want just a bigger feel, sometimes it's nice to just spread out in the Super Moon, or of course, if you're a couple and you like to sit close together, I do recommend going with the Super MoonPod. The Super MoonPod retails for $675, but right now they are offering a promotion to get it down to $499. If you want to get the latest discounts, just head on over to sleepsherpa.com. We always post the latest discounts, discount codes, etc. Now, when we talk about the trial period, it's a bit different than some of the other trial periods I talk about with mattress companies. This trial period is 14 days, and it starts from the day it gets delivered to your door. So you have 14 days, about 2 weeks to try it out. And just make sure you read the fine print on the trial because you will be responsible for return shipping charges and any handling charges. And I'm not too clear on what that is. I also looked into warranties. The best I could find is in the FAQ, they do mention that the MoonPod will last a long time. They're not very specific about it, but they do list an email to reach out to them if you experience any issues over the life of the product, and they will work on a solution. So a little vague there, but they are putting themselves out there to be reachable in case you have any issues with it. So here I am a week later. I'm continuing to enjoy using the Super MoonPod. Great for movie nights, family nights, and everything in between. Head on over to sleepsherpa.com. You can get the full review and latest discount codes.